If you want a cleaner workspace in Photoshop, or you simply need to preview your design without distractions, this video is going to show you exactly how to hide the toolbar in Photoshop in a few different ways. I'll walk you through the fastest shortcuts, how to hide just the left toolbar, and how to switch screen modes so you can choose the view that works best for you. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Photoshop tips. Let's jump in. First, let's look at how to hide only the left toolbar. This is the panel on the left side of Photoshop that contains all your main tools like the Move tool, Brush tool, Type tool, and more. To hide just that toolbar, go up to the top menu bar and click Window. When the drop-down opens, scroll all the way down until you find Tools. Click Tools once so the check mark disappears. The moment you do that, your left toolbar will vanish from the screen. This is a great option if you want a little more space on your canvas but still want to keep the rest of your panels visible. And if you ever want it back, just repeat the same steps. Go back to Window, scroll to Tools, and click it again to re-enable it. Photoshop will instantly restore your left toolbar exactly where it was before. So if you accidentally hide it, don't worry at all. It's very easy to bring back. Now let's move to the fastest method, which is hiding the entire interface instantly. This is the best option if you want a clean preview of your artwork, presentation, or image without any distractions on the screen. All you need to do is press the Tab key on your keyboard. As soon as you press Tab, Photoshop hides the toolbar, side panels, and all the extra interface elements, giving you a much cleaner view of your document. This shortcut is extremely useful when you want to check composition, view your design full screen, or show your work to someone without the clutter of panels in the way. And just like that, if you want everything back, press Tab again. Your toolbar, panels, and workspace layout will return immediately. This is one of the quickest Photoshop shortcuts you can learn. Next, let's talk about screen modes. Photoshop also has built-in viewing modes that let you cycle through different levels of interface visibility. To do this, press the F key on your keyboard. Each time you press F, Photoshop switches to a different screen mode. Press F once and Photoshop enters full screen mode with menu bar. In this mode, the window frame is reduced and your workspace looks a little more open, but you still keep access to the menu bar at the top. This is helpful if you want a more focused view without completely losing your menus. Press F a second time and Photoshop switches into total full screen mode. This is the most minimal view because it hides the toolbar, panels, and top menus entirely. It gives you the most screen space possible for viewing your image or design. If you're working on detailed artwork or just want maximum canvas visibility, this mode can be really useful. Then press F a third time, and Photoshop takes you right back to your standard workspace layout. So if you ever get lost while cycling through screen modes, just keep pressing F until everything returns to normal. So to quickly recap, if you only want to hide the left toolbar, go to Window and uncheck Tools. If you want to hide everything fast, press Tab. And if you want to cycle through Photoshop's different viewing modes, press F. These three methods cover almost every situation, whether you want more space, a cleaner preview, or a distraction-free workspace. If this Photoshop tutorial helped you, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful design tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.